Hi, Mr. Karl. What day is it? Is today Sunday? Yeah. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Woo! Are you going to show us how you crawl today? Are you going to show us some crawling? Ah la 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 la. Ah la 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 la. Ooh, Mom's teasing me with all kinds of good stuff. Ooh, there you go. There you go. Oh, no, you rolled over. Oh, there you go. I know, you got an audience. You did this so fast earlier. Are you distracted by TV? Do I need to turn off the TV for a second? Mr. Karl! Mr. Karl! You want to come here? Oh, bonk. Oh, the horn goes beep beep, Karl. You're like a sidewinder. Oh, nope, you were just going for the donut.
That guy crawled over there once, Dad.
Yeah, he's, what am I, your little trick pony? Oh, son, I'm sorry, but you entertain us. Oh, yeah. Woo-woo! Does that look fun? Is that fun stuff, Mr. Karl? Oh, yeah, Mr. Karl. Oh, do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Oh, mija. Good work, son. Yeah. When you don't have an audience, you do it pretty good, don't you? Push the button? Huh, Karl? Push the button? Oh, honk the horn. You gotta push the button. You gotta push the button, Karl. Honk the horn.
The horn goes beep beep beep.
Ooh. Good work, son. Oh, we gotta say hi to Mija. Mia's not feeling so good. No, she's in here. Oh, poor Mija. I know, Miz. You're having a rough couple days, aren't you, Mija? I know.
I don't think that's stopping her from looking.